Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TLRY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Traded this one today. In fact, why not? So there's the gains from that one. So for $356, if you follow my live trades, this will be, I captured all that online. But anyways, so I traded this one today, but from a disclosure perspective, I don't own any shares right now or anything like that. But want to get things updated here and just kind of point out some of the levels that seem to be important from a technical perspective and areas that I'll be keeping an eye on. And the first level is just that current level of support that really solidified itself this afternoon. And that level sits right here around 112.85-ish, 112.50. I mean, we're talking about $120 stock right now. So give or take, 15 cents or so, but right around there is very clearly a level that a lot of people are going to be watching, myself included. So I don't want to come across like that's some sort of great discovery on my part. No, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, is going to be watching that level, including the shorts, because if the price were to break below there, then that could, certainly present a nice shorting opportunity. In the event that area does not hold, next level of support that I'm personally going to keep an eye on is right around that gap close area, which is essentially right around 107.50. So right up here, 112.85-ish, 112.50, and then next key level of support right down there around 107.50 are going to be those two primary areas of support. In the event something really crazy happens, it hasn't even come close in the past couple of days, but with this one, you never know. If the price breaks down through both of those levels of support, perhaps this purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average, may come into play. But that's kind of stretching things a little bit, because as of now, the price is still up above both those levels of support. But figured I'd note that just in case more of a crazy scenario unfolds. What about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance seems to be right up here around the 122 mark. If the price can push through 122, the next one is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up at 127. That's also why you don't chase. I mean, you got to think and imagine some people literally bought right up in this area, and you better, they're going to have a sleepless night tonight, wondering if this thing is going to, go back up there and bail them out. We'll see what happens with it, but anyway, slice it, a great volatile stock. So from a day trading perspective, lots of stuff going on. Obviously, if you're holding this for some sort of swing trade or longer term trade, the overall trade continues. So yeah, let's see how this one continues to play out and closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.